Hi all, it is Nicola from ArchPro again, and welcome to our second part of the series of how to create a web-based QGIS system and allow others to view your projects online. We already installed Apache 2.2 in part 1. There's a link in the description and down below. And now we will modify our QGIS project so that it will easily be loaded online for viewing. Here is a QGIS project I already loaded. It has many folders, many layers, many subfolders, and it is very heavy. Our file, as you can see, it takes some time to load it. Therefore, first I will save it in its own folder as the same name, but I will add web in the end. Next, I will go to project properties and I will set all paths of layers to be absolute. Apply, OK. Next, I will find it on my system and copy the QGIS file, the databases, and all of its folders. Copy, and I will paste them somewhere else, let's say on my hard drive, and I will add here GIS and a folder I always forget that in free commander F7 is for new folder, and paste. And it will take some time because it is 2 gigabytes the total size. As it says 45 minutes, we will have to wait. Therefore, let's see when it's done, and we will continue then. Alright, I noticed that I have some technical issues with my E drive, and it will take a long time. Therefore, let's do it the other way. We will save the QGIS file in the Apache 2.2 htdocs, QGIS web client, and projects. And here we will save it as BRO. Alright. And since in project properties the layers are in absolute path, I will close it. Let's say save. And go to the C QGIS web client projects, and I will open it here. And let's see what the result will be. If it says there are any mistakes, that means that our layers are not correctly defined. And if everything is okay, as it should be, all layers will load up, and I will further delete some of my layers and simplify the project, because here I have many layers that are working for work phase only, not for the final production. I have many unnecessary layers, composers also that are unnecessary, and I will show you how it's done later. So join me when it's ready. So the project is loaded, and as you can see, no mistakes so far. Every layer is found. Next, we will delete any unnecessary layers. Let's see. First, I will use only some layer combinations. This one is unnecessary, therefore I will delete this layer. Also this one. Here I will delete this layer. Let's see which layers we will use here. In transport we will delete this layer. And this layer. Or let's keep it, doesn't matter. This layer. Let's update. We will delete these both layers. Alright, in heritage, let's see, we have to delete some layers also. This is our scheme. Heritage 9s, heritage 9s. Alright, we'll delete both of these layers. This one, alright. In infrastructure, let's see what layers we will use ultimately. It seems every layer. Alright. 0, 0, we don't need that. Plum, detail, this is only for the details. I will see what layers are used there. These are the lots inside the urban places. I will not use that. Also this one. And I will not need them. Also this layer, I will not need it. This one, it's okay actually, I will use it. But since I have the polygons already, I will not need it also. And this one, I think it's fine. Alright, this one will be deleted. Topography, aggregate. Delete. Delete this one, both of these, and this one, or maybe not. It is a good indicator. In environment we will delete some layers. This one, of course. Only this one. These are all them, all the contours, and only some of them out. Alright, we deleted all the layers that we intended to. Now we will have to rename them in Bulgarian in this case. You can do it in your native language, and I will do that later. It doesn't matter for now. Now let's focus on our print composers. Composer manager, and we will delete all unnecessary print composers. Yes, this one, this one, this one. Yes. Let's see, this is, yes, this one there. One page. And here we have 2 pages. Therefore, I will duplicate this one and create the same as the 3rd layout, but on 1 page. I will transfer most of the items from this layout to the newly created one. Copy and paste. Perfect. Now let's see what other layer combinations won't we need based on the composers we left here. As you can see, very few composers are left. We'll delete also some of the plans. Perfect. This is as compact as it can get. Now let's see what combinations I don't need anymore. As you can see, if I load the combination and it's empty, I have to delete it because doesn't show anything. This is good. I will also keep that. This I don't need. This is also good. I will finally delete this one. And load our main combination. And that's it. Also, you can go to project properties, and in this OWS server you can modify all layers or composers to be excluded. I prefer to delete them from the project because I will not need them anymore in my web-based system. But you can also from here exclude any layers or groups of layers or any composers. But since I deleted my composers, I prefer to do it that way, and I will not specify anything here because I've encountered some specific problems based on your QGIS system, and in older QGIS these WMS capabilities are not working properly. You are excluding something, and when you load it in your web-based system, it still shows. Therefore, I will press apply and OK. I save it in Apache 2.2. I will save it as other name so that we can check which is bigger. As you can see, the new file is 1 megabyte lower in size, and therefore I have simplified my project significantly. Now I will close the project, and we will continue to modify the system so that it recognizes this project and finds and shows it correctly on your web page. Because the system is WGS 84 UTM-35N, I will have to add some properties for this system, and I will show you how. So it's Nicola Lalev from ArchPro signing off. I wish you success and inspiration in your work and life.